Welcome back to Talk Point. We are covering a developing story that has sparked debate with the Republican Party. Former President Donald Trump's efforts to expand influence with the Texas GOP have met resistance from California Republican leaders, raising questions about party unity ahead of the 2024 elections. Trump and his rallies have been actively endorsing candidates and influencing party committees in Texas, aiming to consolidation power and shape the state's Republican infrastructure. While supporters see this is a strategic move to strengthen the party, critics argue that it represents an overreach that challenges the independence of local party operations. California Republicans have voiced concerns over that what they describe as external interfaces in state politics. Public statements and local political actions indicate growing uneasy about Trump elite groups steering candidate election and committee decisions in other states. The backlash reflects border debates within the GOP between Trump loyalists and more moderate members. The tension is not limited to internal politics. Analysts note that this development could influence voter perception ahead of the 2024 election. Intra-party divisions may affect campaign strategy, fundraising, and voter turnout, particularly in swing states where Republican unity could be decisive. Observers also highlighted that this cash underscore a larger pattern. Trump's continued efforts to reshape Republican politics nationally, from endorsement to public statements. His influence reaches far beyond his home state, promoting reactions from party leaders across the country. While the California pushback remains primarily political, it is a part of a larger narrative about the evolving identity of the Republican Party. Moderates and Trump supporters alike are grappling with how to define the party's direction as the nation approaches the presidential election. As this story continues to develop, it is clear that the debate over influence, strategy, and party control will remain a key issue for Republicans and observers alike. The outcome could have lasting implications for the 2024 elections and the future dynamics with the party. This was Talk Point. Stay with us for ongoing coverage US politics, party dynamics, and the latest developments as the 2024 elections cycle unfolds.